Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and today I'm going to be opening up my Walmart beauty box. This must be the winter one because I got my 2 fall boxes and I went ahead and I was billed twice because I do get 2 boxes sent to me every season, and it's about $7 a season a box, but when you get 2 it's 14. So I did go down to just 1 box every season. Sometimes even with 2, I was getting like the same items in both boxes. Sometimes I wasn't, but there were times when I did. So I've just decided just to get 1. But this season for winter, I should be getting 1 more because I was billed for 2. All right, so let me just show you what is in here. All right. It does come with a little pamphlet here, and there's Brooklyn being nosy. So it comes with this that kind of shows you what you're getting. It tells you everything that's in here. So the first thing I am pulling out of my box, Brooklyn's trying to pull everything else out of my box, but here it is right here. Let me move her a little bit. Let me move her. She doesn't need to be right there. Right. This is called the African Pride Olive Miracle. So it's made for fall updos. It's non-greasy, drip-free edge gel sticks, hard to hold edges for long-lasting natural and straight styles. Plus it conditions, hydrates and repairs hair. So I don't know if this is just for African American hair, maybe, I'm not sure, but regardless, I don't need a product like this, so this will probably be in a giveaway, or maybe a friend of mine would be interested in this. Okay, so the next item I am pulling out, oh my goodness, I'm being doggy attacked. This is her newest shirt. It's $1 from Walmart because, you know, it's after Halloween, so it says boo you all, and she's just wanting to get into everything. So let's see what is next. I got this. It's a curl cream, actually, I think. Yes, this is a curl cream. So this will be actually good for 2 of my kids that I have here. This is Aunt Jackie's Assorted Curl Products. Let's see, these products hydrate, shape, and control curls for long-lasting bounce and shiny defined coils, whatever, but this would be good. I think it's I don't know what this one smells like, but one of them is supposed to be okay. This is enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein, but there's one that was coconut cream curl boss, so that's a nice product. Okay, the next thing I got is a deep conditioner. This is by, hold on, this is by Earth, what is it called? Earth Supplied. It's just a deep conditioner. So all of this, basically, this whole box is for people with very curly hair. This is Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. We all know what that is. I will definitely get some use out of that. And this is the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. So, does it say what color I got? Apple Crisp, it says. So I got the color Apple Crisp. It's probably gonna be a little red for me, but we'll see. I might, you might see this in a giveaway. I have so many lipsticks, and because of the virus going around, I have to wear a mask at work, and I mean, I have just so many of these things. So you may be seeing this, and I think that is it for my box. So, again, you know, it was a fairly good box. I'm not too sure, you know, I mean, my hair is just like very flat, fine, and it's not curly, you know. I don't need products that came with this box, but we'll see if I can find people that can use them. I know 2 of my kids have curly hair, so, but we'll see if they want them. If not, I will be doing a giveaway for some of these items. Check back every Sunday. I do a giveaway, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel to be eligible. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch me, and please give this video a thumbs up. And if you can, I guess I already said it, but please subscribe. Thank you, and leave a comment down below. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.